learned that our world can turn upside down in a second. And yes, it may feel like a science fiction novel out there, but soon enough we will be traveling again. Your safety is on our mind. It is all we really think about. As we prepare to reopen, we've implemented even stricter safety standards, hand sanitizing, and spotlessly clean everything. Social distancing isn't so easy in a city. Luckily, we're on an island, with immune-boosting salty air and penthouse-style villas with flair. Behind every mask is a smile. Because we know the sun will shine again.